How to transfer crypto to Robinhood. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video I'm going to show you how you can transfer crypto to Robinhood. In order to transfer crypto to Robinhood, all you need to do is, first thing first, you'll have to copy the wallet address. So for that, open up your Robinhood application and then enter the security code or a passcode and log in into your account. Once you're logged in, go to your account. After that, select the asset that you're actually receiving. So in my case, I'm gonna go ahead and tap this button. So after that, you have to tap the trade button located right at the bottom. On the other interface, you'll be able to see buy sell options located right at the bottom. Next page, all you need to do is go ahead and copy the wallet address. So for that, you can either copy the link or you can just simply download the QR code. Once you're done downloading the QR code or the wallet address, then you need to exit out of your Robinhood account, and then you'll need to open up the particular application from where you're actually transferring. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up my Coinbase. So all you have to do is you need to go ahead and select the send button, and after that you need to enter in the wallet address that you recently copied and enter in the exact amount. As soon as you do that, you'll be notified that within a couple of days later the cryptos will be added to Robinhood. So in that way you can transfer cryptos to Robinhood. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.